Welcome to Dusty's Corner. Excuse the mumbles, fumbles and bumbles. We're using Tinkercad, and let's just get in here. I'll give you an example of how you can quickly throw some designs together to create, I don't know, something. So let's make a key tag. You've got your shapes over here, pretty handy. Let's rotate this round, 90, good. Rotate it again, 90, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, sorry about the mumbles. Let's make that 5. So we've got a semicircle, height of 3. Line this up with this. Boom, boom, boom. I got it below deck. Hold on, I'll sort that out in a second. Right, let's get it back onto 0. There we go. Let's copy and paste. Don't worry, it all makes sense as we go along. I think Tinkercad's really nice. It's free, it's online. Register yourself an account. Okay, let's turn that into a hole, or a cut, I'll group these two. Let's change the colour. Oh, actually, let's ungroup it. Let's grab that, line up with this. So it's in the middle, it's right on the end. That's got a diameter of 4, so we move it 2. There we go, it's in the middle of a circle. That was a circle. Now let's group these two together. Group, turn it into something like that. Now let's give it a cutaway, or a cutout, or whatever. So if we make this, where did I click? I'll click on that corner, make it 49, take 1 mil off, make this 8, that takes a mil off both sides. This would have to be 8, and the other side would be 4, and budge it over, boom, join them together, poof, turn that into a hole, give it some height. This is 3 high, so we just lift this off by 2, either like that or type it in there, and line it up with this. Click on this one, center it. That should be 1 mil around. Group these two together, and there we have already a key. Let's copy that because I might use that for another quick thing. Group that, and you've got a keychain. Let's put some text on it. What should we have it say? We'll give it a height of not 8, something like 6, and something like 45. And we'll make it say, we'll make it say subscribe. Aha. And if we make that, okay, we're going to have to change the dimensions a little bit. Let's get it over there. Select the 2 of those, line up a bit. If we put that right at the end, I like to be a bit mathematical about things, I suppose. And then you have group those 2 together, and you've got yourself a keychain, a key tag. Let's do another quick thing. Let's say you want a heart pendant or something. Again, we'll make this 3. Again, where's that semicircle? Let's grab that semicircle. Let's twist this around over here. And give it a height of 3. Roughly 3. How do we want that? How do we want it? let's get this lined up. It's probably a bit too wide really, so we'll fudge it over. And that's 12, so let's make this 6. So we still have our semicircle. And we'll copy paste. What, 10 by 4. Give it some height, boom. We'll line it up with this one. Put it down there. And I didn't, why I haven't made this right. What is this? 12 by 6. And this one is, oh, that's fine, it's 5. And probably, alright, we'll use the line tool, line it up tool. Here you go. And boom, that's probably a little bit thin, but you get the idea. And merge. And then you have a quick heart key chain. And again, if you wanted to, let's say, you wanted that to be in gray. I have 2, so that'll be sunk in by 1 mil. Whack it in the middle. It's going to be a bit too big, but you see the idea. I'll quickly group it. You'll see. I think it will be a little bit cooler. There you go, text, right? What might be a little nicer, isn't it? If you wanted to make a little doggy paw. Alright, what sort of size are we looking at? Something like 10 by 10. 10 by 10. And then we'll have another. This one's better actually. There's 2 different cylinders you could use. This one, the one that's under the favourites, the basic shape is more polygon, not as round. This one's a little bit rounder. Copy paste somewhere around here, paste again, and we'll put that one sort of up here, paste another one here, and then we'll make this 10 by 10, 10 by 10, line the 2 sides up. Can you see it's a paw already? So the left and right are lined up. We'll group those, and then we'll line this one with this one, and we'll, oh, it's a bit far away actually, so we'll bring that down closer, maybe not as close, somewhere like there, and we'll group it with this one, so those 2 are together, and we'll, oh, it did not group it. Right, now they're grouped. Center all of that, and bring those down a little bit. Group that with that. Lift it off the deck by 2 or something. Line up with your pendant, and you have, budge it down. Group. Ta-da! You've got a dog ball. Alright. I'll just use this for now. If you wanted a little dish or pot or something, do another one, and we'll give it a dimension of, let's say, 17 by 17. Turn it into a hole. Make this sort of like, I don't know, 5. And then put this with that. Line them up. Boom, boom. Lift it off the deck by, what, 2, so that'd be 3 mil deep. Fine, whatever, just an example. And that could be a cap, or it could be a dish, or it could be, if you wanted a pen pot, you know, a tool holder. There you go, something like that, 40 by 40, to maintain its circular dimensions. Alright, And let's say you wanted a, I don't know, something you wanted to do in capital letters, books, like a, and I'll get, I like to change the colour, orange, put this sort of there, stretch it out, a height of 12, how long is this? This is 90, let's make it 97, we'll make this something like 100 by 3 or something. What we'll do is line those up, center it, and this is 3, so if we go here and go 1, 2, 3, and it's got a lip, yeah, it's got a little lip on it, and that one with this one, group, and you've got like a name block. You'd print it laying on its back, but if it was, obviously you'd want it kind of, at the end of the day you'd want it like that. Put it on the deck, and there you have something like that. You put it on top of your bookcase, obviously. So there you go. Now, if you wanted to, if you wanted me to, oh no, yes, it will go. You'll go over there where it says send to, picture of it, somewhere you ask, you get a link. Download locally, take it to, is that one? Export. No, it's invite. There you go. Invite people to design with you. So read that. You get 36 hours. All right. So if you register yourself an account, play around, make some designs, and you want me to have a little look at it, let me know. Send me the link, and I've got 36 hours, and I can mess around with your design. All right. So that's Tinkercad. Thank you for watching.